What is Esperanto?
Well, stick around to find out that and more. Esperanto is a constructed language made by Leser Zamenhof aka Ludwig Zamenhof aka LL Zamenhof, and he made Esperanto as an easy international language. But there is one problem. It is too Eurocentric and only has vocab from European languages, and it tilts a lot towards Romance languages like French, Portuguese, Spanish, and Romanian. We have done a video on that. But Esperanto is by far arguably one of the most popular conlangs, and it has inspired many other conlangs like Tokipona. We have done a video on that as well. Esperanto is even available on Duolingo. Let me show you. First, let's go to a search engine and type Duolingo. Click on the link of Duolingo. Then log in or sign in, which I didn't. But if you just want to check it out, you can scroll to the Esperanto flag.